If the stomach is herniated up through that hiatus, it's just gonna stretch it out. And the longer it's kept like that, the more and more and more over time, it's just gonna stretch out, right? Hi folks, Dr. Dave Cullah here with some questions about hiatal hernia. So we had a patient ask me, when you do the hiatal hernia maneuver and pull the stomach down, the herniated stomach down below the diaphragm, which my device is the only type that does that, the Reflux Shield. When you do that, when you pull the stomach down, does it tighten the hiatus up? The hiatus is the hole in your diaphragm, in the bottom of the diaphragm, that the stomach goes through, turns into your esophagus, right? It goes up. So the hiatus, or that slit in the diaphragm, does it tighten up after you pull the stomach down? Well, if the stomach is herniated up through that hiatus, it's just gonna stretch it out. And the longer it's kept like that, the more and more and more over time, it's just gonna stretch out, right? There are ways to tighten that up. And I go over stretches and exercises, breathing exercises specifically to tighten that up. So when you get the Reflux Shield, it comes with a QR code of not only how to use the device, but also exercises to tighten that hiatus up. But you cannot tighten it up until you lower the stomach below the diaphragm. And again, the Reflux Shield is the only thing that does that. But once you do that, then you start the breathing exercises, tighten that hiatus up, and that mitigates the risks of the hiatal hernia from coming back. And over time, as you strengthen it and keep that stomach down below the diaphragm, you will tighten the hiatus up further as the years go on, as the months go on. And there's some good information for you guys that are dealing with chronic hiatal hernia. Pull it down daily, do the exercises, and you are not gonna see it reoccur every day or every week or every month for that matter. And you'll see it start to get better and better. Thanks for tuning in.
Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.